In today's video, we're going to give you 5 key points on the OLSP system to see if it's something that is right for you. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by affiliate marketing, funnels, autoresponders, traffic headaches, the system flips the game. Wayne Crowe built OLSP to be stupid simple, and it works. Point number 1. OLSP isn't just training, it is a full-blown affiliate marketing machine. Funnels, done. Email templates, done. Traffic tools, built in. You plug in and it runs. Point number 2, beginner-friendly training. Even if you have never made a dime online, the Mega Link Bootcamp walks you through everything, step-by-step videos, PDFs, and live calls, no tech headaches. Point number 3, lifetime commissions. Here's the kicker. OLSP tracks your leads for life. Someone clicks your link today, buys it next month, you still get paid. And some commissions are upwards of 200%, and that is not a typo or hype. It actually exists within the OLSP deep vaults. Point number 4, built-in traffic tools. Traffic is the hardest part. OLSP gives you tools like Fast Start Traffic and Comment Dominator Pro. You can literally earn by engaging on Facebook. Point number 5, real mentorship. Wayne Crowe isn't some ghost guru. He's live every week, answering questions, helping you grow. The community is active, supportive, and full of people getting results. Now, before I take you over to my results, let me take a quick break here and tell you about our 4-step video blueprint. The 4-step video blueprint is to help you get started on YouTube so that you can get in there and know what you want to talk about on a video. You can get over the anxieties and shyness of being on a video and have a structure so that you can run through your video and feel like you've got it taken care of. It's done. So if you'd like more information on how the 4-step video blueprint might be of help to you if you're just starting your YouTube journey, then just drop video training down in the comment and I will get a link to you. You can also check for a link in the description area. All right, let's get back to it. So we've got 5 great key points here on the OLSP system. If you're ready to plug into a system that actually works, click the link below. Join the OLSP Bootcamp. The link below will be in the description area. And let the system do the heavy lifting. You never know, you might be one click away from your first commission. Now I want to prove to you with a little bit of commission work here that OLSP does what I say it's going to do and what Wayne says it can do. This is Wayne Crowe, if you've never seen him before. And he is always active almost on a daily basis, if not a daily basis. They're getting ready to do another live training tomorrow, 17 hours. He is over in England, so make sure you adjust for your time. Because for me, I'm in the Eastern time zone, and that puts him about 5 hours ahead of me. So I'm usually catching him in the afternoons around 1 o'clock if I'm listening in on a training. My commissions back office. I have earned $130 off of the $7 incomes. Okay. The fun part about this is that, again, they've got a lifetime link. So whoever used the link to buy this, if they were ever to go back to OLSP and decide to upgrade in anything, I would get credit for it. So here's some of the numbers down through here. The Mega Link Tier 1. Leading up to the $130. All right, I hope LSP might work for you as well as it has for me. And if you have any questions about it, please reach out. My name is Jeff Beeman. Welcome to the channel. If you've never been here before, welcome back if you are one of our subscribers. And if you would like to follow more content like this, then please go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. That really does help the YouTube algorithm helps me keep the YouTube algorithm happy, and we will be glad to get back to you as soon as we can. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video.